DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. So we there with lab boss, you know, man. Yeah, man. Today we there with lab boss, no than Chronic Law and Major 7. I think that's a production team. You know what I said? The one named Star. I check it out and say, dog, I deal with. You don't know, lab boss, one of the most lyrical. You see me and say, one of the most lyrical, one of the most deep thinking, one of the dancehall therapists, one of the best in the dancehall right now, no joke. You see me and say, yeah, I check it out and swear down the one named Star. But before we do that, gang, jump in that trap, gang. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Road to 10K. We only what 2K 2,800 away, gang. So do the right thing, man. Code is life. Hit the like and subscribe. Road to 10K and beyond. You see me and say, gang. Yeah, we don't want to vibe much longer. This is Chronic Law, Major 7 Star. Let's get it. Vast production again. We just listen to the Massacre song and Vast production was behind the video. Alright. Oh, then Canada dog. Oh, God. Like him a Massacre and I see him place. You see me I say? Cause them build real look similar. Money.
Some of you live full of gun already now a couple premises.
Yes.
I get the blessing even though I'm full of sin. Yes. She a couple place and me never pull up in live round.
Yo, this beat is nasty though. Chronic Law, do your thing, G.
Keep buttered up in 9 ring driving. Muscle car no fit up in 9 gym. My lad, I'm not China, I'm go for my things.
I'm telling you, I'm not China, I'll go for everything, brother. I want everything real. Genuine, I want to you, man, designer.
I don't know none of my links, you rock forward. Use them a crack code.
Yes.
Always stop forward. Pull up the L-Star sleeve, make you walk.
Georgia, I dog them, man. Georgia. Yeah, man, Atlanta.
Sure, when time me hungry, I just me on God know.
That's facts. Boom. When time me hungry, I just me on God know. I want to you, man, come in. Take this on top now. God alone, man. I'm Tony, man. God alone, man. Come in. I got you my problem. Return to the Father. You see me, I say? Yeah. When you're hungry, me and God alone, no. Come in. See, I think everything fine enough. Don't make them know wiser. Come in. Yes. She ain't creative, mad.
Money. Some of you live full of gun already now a couple premises.
Yes.
I get the blessing even though I'm full of sin. She a couple place and me never pull up in live round.
And say, so if you live full of gun already, now a couple premises. Come in.
9 clip buttered up in 9 ring driving. Muscle car no fit up in 9 gym.
Bro, this beat so nasty, bro. Come on, listen.
Some of you live full of gun already now a couple premises. I get the blessing even though I'm full of sin.
Still I get the blessing even though I'm full of sin. Come on.
She a couple place and me never pull up in.
No, sir.
9 clip buttered up in 9.
And a bomb drop. Come in.
Driving, muscle car, no fit up in 9 gym. My lad, I'm not China, I'm go for my
driving, muscle car, nigga, in a fit up in 9 gym. Hey, come in.
Things Cuban down to fight and none of my links. You rock forward, use them.
Please. Bro, I'm not China, I'm go for my things in a brother. Cuban tougher than, hey, no found no links in a youth. Man say Cuban don't tougher than my links in a, come in. Links turn up.
Pull up the L-Star sleeve, make you watch show. Anytime you hungry, I just
pull up his sleeve. Pull up his sleeve, make you watch show. Easy, labas. Talk to them, labas. That's something like when you talk about happy things, you know. You see, when you talk about swag and happy things and vibes, labas, you're one of the best in a dancer. May I tell you that, you know, you don't have to always talk about the depressing thing, brother. Keep this and send it to labas, brother. Yeah, man. When you talk about some fly shit and something, labas be killing it. I'm telling you. Come on, squash, bro. Eh. Yes. No, sir. Nothing. Nah, nothing to prove in our war. Done bad already. I'm to them. Yes.
Lifestyle look like a movie.
Yes.
Bad blood clot drip my jewelry no calm.
Yes. Lifestyle look like a movie. Bad blood or drip me. You know, calm, brother. No. Come in.
Who shoot a man? We go buy buckle, we no use like a flask. Every youth is a star, mommy new be my
Buckles, palm buckles. When you come in, talk to them. It's nice.
Sing mad on the ground, buy broom for my dogs. Don't use king alarm.
Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, man, mad on the ground. Buy broom for my dog. When I use king alarm, don't make it go overhead, boy. Sing mad on the ground, buy broom for my dogs. Don't use king alarm. Portland, check your stats. Make it cash, spend it and get it back. Yes.
Send my dog up a New York.
Check your stats, no man. Come in, no man.
When the mad, get it right back, and send it off.
Easy.
Real to my dog, I know any talk. Washing off the axe for me, silly cat.
No rum chat on here. Real to the thugs, I'm on to you, man.
Never run from nothing when we start. Never run from nothing when we start.
Everything we start, we see through the end. No, I'm to you, man. We not run from nothing around here.
Links your rock phone.
Face your problems, head on.
I always stop phone. Pull up the L star sleeve, make you watch.
Yes.
When time me hungry, I just me hunger.
Sleep no man.
Baby, get a youth is a star. Can't see me and a groupie apart.
Bam, bam, bam. Every get the youth. Remember, when you watch Jambisco then, remember this, use a star. You see me now? See, we don't have no groupie apart. I want to you, brother. You see me? We don't have nothing for proving our, you know. We're bad already. We've been doing this. You see me, some boy just a hurry come up. You see me, I say a different meds we think depend. Come in.
Nah, nothing to go proof in our.
Nothing.
Nothing bad already. Money not the mirror, you
Me attack.
4 grand, you best for the shoes, me a van. Rose rice, umbrella, me a use for the stamp.
Yes.
Get girl fast, me not talk on the charm.
Yes.
This lab boss, pussy clad, fuck with man. One bag of broom.
Woo-hoo. Get girl fast. We don't talk money charm, brother. This rascal. Yeah, yo. Oh, be like, well, I'm say something like it's just a talk, like you have a conversation. You see, I said, come in.
4 grand, you best for the shoes, me a van. Rose rice, umbrella, me a use for the stamp. Get girl fast, me not talk on the charm. This lab boss, pussy clad, fuck with man. One bag of broom, every part of your yard. Blood off your run and no partner, we drive. Sweet like sugar, butter.
What got broom in your yard, brother? Blood off your run, nigga. And a partner with jar on here. Come in.
One bag of broom,
Get
every
it?
part of your yard. Blood off your run and no partner with jar. I'm sweet like sugar, butter, salt on the side. Pussy bright on no bright, bout dark on no
No partner with jar, cause with jar blood, nigga. Come on, talk about it.
dark. Your rock phone, use them a crack code. I always tap phone. Pull up the L star sleeve, make it watch show. When time me hungry, I just me and God know.
God know.
We get a youth
Be a star. Yeah, man. If you two watch me, me all over here, Jamaica, England, America, Trinidad, Barbados, Antigua, Turks and Caicos, UK. Big up on the damn self and know say you're not a star. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, no joke.
Done bad already, money not the mirror, you me attack. Lifestyle look like a movie upon. Bad blood clot, drip my jewelry in a car. Everybody clinching up.
It's a bad blood clot drip. My jewelry don't calm around here, brother. Behave yourself, come in.
Who shoot a man?
Yeah.
We go buy buckle, we no use like a flask. Every youth is a star, when me be my belt, I people in the yard. Thing hot on the ground, buy broom for my dogs, don't use king alarm.
Thing tough, arm to you, man.
Nobody don't come round, you feel help on me reach, man, I level.
Just that is it. Come in now, man. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, man. La boss. They want to name star. Remember that, youths. If you get a youth, it's a star. No jokes. You see? I don't know chat, man. I don't any talk. You see me, I say a real thing. Yeah, man, get me know thing about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go let the artist, show the artist love what you want. I'm making us at the dancing. You see me, I say? Also, gang. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, smell all that good stuff. Visuals. Yo, La Boss. Yo, look at La Boss and Massacre. Look like a Georgia there. I think it was like Canada or some shit. But I look like Georgia, like Atlanta. You see me, I say? No joke. But yeah, let me know what your favorite part. La Boss going crazy, man. Yeah, man, La Boss going crazy. When the man talk drip, swag, and vibes, you see, when he's not on the depression stuff, like the med stuff, which is also great music. Don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying, there's a lane where La Boss not fully tapping her. You can give with the drip and the niceness, but you're not fully tapping it. And then also give them the back to back, plus with the meds. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Yeah man. Anyway gang, let me know what you think about the one in the comment section. I like you. Show that some love and support. Those are the dancing. Drop a comments. Drop a request so you can get your shout out. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.